Next topic, NCERT textbook solutions, hydrocarbons. That means alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and benzene. So page number 326, exercise 9.1. How do you account for the formation of ethane during chlorination of methane? So the answer is, so it is the free radical reaction. It is the free radical reaction. So free radical reaction contains three steps. Number one, chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination. In chain initiation, first of all, homolysis takes place because, so bond means two electrons. Bond means two electrons. Then two electrons is equal size. So it is the homolysis. So in homolysis, free radicals are formed. So one chlorine atom belongs to one chlorine. Another electron taken by another chlorine, it forms two chlorine free radicals. Next one, chain propagation. In chlorine free radicals, it attacked with methane CH4. CH4, it is written as CH3 bond H. CH3 bond H. Then chlorine is attacked in this place. So bond means, so here the bond is broken. So here one electron, here one electron. So Cl dot H dot becomes HCl. CH3 free radical is obtained. So Cl free radical, H free radical forms HCl. CH3 free radical is formed propagation. Again this CH3 free radical react with chlorine. So chlorine means, bond means two electrons. This free radical react with chlorine, then this electron comes to this electron and bond is broken here. Then CH3Cl free radical, CH3Cl, then free radical is obtained. Totally in propagation, chlorine free radical react with methane, methyl radical react with chlorine. That's all propagation means. Chlorine free radical with methane, methyl radical free react with Cl2 molecule, then CH3HCl, CH3Cl, Cl free radical is obtained. Totally in final step termination, here CH3 free radical is formed. Two CH3 free radicals combine to form ethane. So it is ethane. So ethane is formed. Then CH3 plus Cl. CH3 free radical plus Cl free radical becomes CH3Cl, methyl chloride. Then Cl free radical, another Cl free radical, so gives to Cl2. So it is the free radical reaction, formation of, so a chlorination of methane. So chain initiation, propagation, termination. First one homolysis. So in the chain initiation, next one propagation. In propagation, chlorine free radical react with methane. Methyl free radical react with chlorine. That is propagation. Next termination, the end reactions takes place. Thank you. Please subscribe.